Okay, so I'm boiling some water for cooking. But I'm spinning the water, spinning it with a big spoon. And I'm looking at these refraction patterns. And then it's starting to boil while it's spinning. Still spinning pretty good. So I used to boil water a lot when I was a child. I just like doing it. I don't know. But I'd often do it on like Saturday morning cartoons. So I'd boil water, then I'd totally space it out until I maybe heard something. I'd go in and find that the aluminum pan or the pan had melted on the electric burners. But I always, and it really freaked me out. You know, I thought I'd get busted, but I always managed to clean it up before I got busted. You see, boiling water is quite interesting.